Okay, so dear friends, you know how they say curiosity kills the cat? Well, curiosity in this case didn't kill me. So right here, I had been researching for ways to make kimchi in Nigeria. Thank God to Victor and Rain for their video that was uploaded on YouTube. I got to watch it and make some other research from other creators too on YouTube who had made kimchi in Nigeria and also in Korea and other parts of the world. And decided to also check how they made theirs. So following up with what Victor and Rain said, I really hope I pronounce her name well. So I decided to try out making my own kimchi. Yeah. So guys, I didn't use the Napa cabbage. I just used the regular Nigerian cabbage because I'm making this kimchi here in Nigeria. So I used the regular Nigerian cabbage and I decided to clean and cut and take off the hard part. You could see it here. I had to show you all the tiny details because why shouldn't I show you? Yeah, that's what I did. And just clean cut. By the way, Happy New Year. Welcome to January 2026. The day of sharing this video is January 6th. How are you? Hope you set your goals. Hope you are fine. Hope everything's going on well. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Hope God is good. So I now pour the cabbage inside the bowl and I'm going to go and wash it. Yeah. So after cutting that cabbage, you have to wash. So this is the part I had to clear the table and wash. After washing, I salted the cabbage. I noticed I left that part out. So I salted the cabbage. In fact, I soaked it for over 12 hours. Yeah, the cabbage was a little bit too salty and I still came back and rinsed it. So for this 1.5 cabbage, I'm using 1 spring onion and about 7 to 8 tiny small carrots. So I had cleaned them and you continue the process. So this is when I've rinsed the cabbage. I've cleaned my carrots and my spring onion. I've sliced them. You can see it in the video here. My dear, please forgive me, but I don't care if this video is chaotic. You just have to manage it. So I had used garlic and ginger. This video, my garlic is in that blue plate over there. So I had used garlic and ginger. I'd had a handful of pepper. This pepper is from the north, so I felt it was not going to be hot. Then a handful of crayfish. I was supposed to use shower fish, which is also called bonga, I guess, but I didn't use it. So I washed the pepper, poured in the blender, added the ginger. You see that ginger added, it was hexes. The ginger was much. It was very much. So added the ginger, garlic, crayfish, pepper, and added little water into my blender and I had to blend it. By the way, I need a new blender, but this one is still fine. It's 7. We are managing it bit by bit. So, and to the bowl where I've added my salted cabbage and carrots and spring onion, I added the pepper and fish paste. My dear, I used to see Korean videos when they used to say, add fish sauce. So I added fish sauce, but this fish sauce I added is not fishing. It's just doing somehow, like, it's a salty substance. Because I tasted it and it's salty. I was like, what exactly is the fish sauce about? It's a salty situation. My mouth is paining me already. It's okay. Well, so, what did I even do again? Okay, I was talking to my camera at this point. I wanted to show you that I used Amoy fish sauce and I had to now wear nylon because I don't have gloves in the kitchen. I wore nylon because of the pepper. I was scared the pepper is going to hurt my hands. So I wore nylon. I said to start mixing the cabbage with the fish paste and the fish sauce I had poured in. So at this moment I said, no, I need to take off one of the nylon. No, I think working with one hand will be faster. So I did one hand. Okay, now back to you. Now for this year, have you set your goals? If you haven't set your goals, why? Is it that you're having issues setting your goals or you're not so clear on goal setting? I could actually be your guide. I could give you a clear breakdown on how to set your goals for each quarter. Same goals will be broken down to monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. If interested, drop goals in the comment section. So, dear friend, now right here, I had brought my bowl, washed it with salt and hot water, and began to store my vegetables into the bowl. After sifting out the vegetables with my hand, I also still poured mixture, or be the paste, over it. So are there any other dishes you want me to try out? At least something I could get the local resources in Nigeria. I'm truly available to try new things out, so do let me know. So I made this kimchi on 28th of December, and this is the first time I was checking it after 2 days. I wanted to be sure it had started fermenting before I would transfer it into my refrigerator. So actually the process is that you keep it on the table or on the countertop to ferment. So you see that bubbling nature is they say that when it begins to bubble like that yes, it is getting fermented, and then we now transfer into the refrigerator and keep it for more fermenting. It just keeps fermenting in the refrigerator. It keeps on fermenting. It just stays there. Now kimchi, as they say, is very healthy. Yeah, I did a little bit of research. It's good for gut health. Me, I made it out of curiosity. As a curious Nigerian person, that is what I did. So thank you so much for indulging in my curiosity. What other recipes should I try out? What again should I venture into? Drop a comment in the comment section. So tell me, what next should I try out? Thank you.